Hi guys, we have a Zoom meeting with our grand upline from Mexico, led by Tony Leon, Sir Alvarez, and our interpreter, Miss Catalina. This is about the importance of Metaverse, MeCoins, NFTs, cryptocurrency, and GRDAO Advanced. This is the proof. If you want to learn something, language is not a barrier. Napakaswerte ng mga investors dahil private pa lang ang company. Kung gusto mong sumabay sa digital asset at magkaroon ng mga cryptocurrency, NFTs, hindi pa huli ang lahat. Kung gusto mo matutunan ito at gusto mo magkaroon nito, andito lang ako willing tumulong at maging gabay mo. Dahil ito ay magpapabago ng buhay natin at ng buhay ng ating family.
Estos avatars van a estar basados en inteligencia artificial.
These avatars will have artificial intelligence. They will be based in artificial intelligence.
Lo que va a permitir